everybody, as you can see, I am still in Brazil, living it up with my cousin and all of his friends. So today he is going to make, and I'm coming down with something, I don't know, so bear with me and this voice. And again, bear with me and this noise because it's a very busy street where he lives. Alright? So he is going to make something that is typically Brazilian, and it's called tapioca. It is a typical Brazilian wrap, and it's eaten during breakfast or lunch, it doesn't matter. And it's made with the tapioca flour, and you can stuff it with some meats or some mortadella or some cheese or whatever, even some marmalade. So we're going to get started in a minute. And my cousin tells me that if you add the eggs to it, it's called Crepe-ioca, and it's very good for weight loss and all of that stuff. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, so my cousin is going to chop the onion and the garlic, and he's going to saute a little bit of mortadella, and the pièce de résistance, he's going to add one of these peppers, and these peppers are actually not hot. They give a very nice smell to the food, and I can't wait. So he's chopping up the onions and the garlic like a pro. There we go. And can you hear the rain outside, you guys? I love the rain, as you may well know. Guys, can you see the rain? I love this. I am a rain junkie. So whenever I'm in the tropics and it's raining, I am in my element. And these are all the damn cars that disrupt my video all the time. Can you see them? Oh, they need to close this damn street. That's what I'm talking about. But the rain is beautiful. I love it. Okay, so now we're gonna chop up the mortadella into nice little chunks, as you can see. Okay, so now he's going to heat some oil in a little pan, and then he is going to saute the onions and the garlic, just like so. It's very strange to be behind the camera myself and to have somebody else cook. So now he's going to add a little bit of salt. A little bit of salt, you give it a good stir. And then you add the mortadella. He's going to give that a quick stir also. Of course, we're going to add some black pepper. Now he's adding a little bit of soy sauce, and this is seasoned soy sauce from our native country. Ooh, honey. So now we're gonna cover the pan and we're gonna allow this to steam, to saute for about a couple of minutes. Well, this looks about done. Now it's time to make the tapioca. Okay, so now what we're going to do, we are going to pour the tapioca flour into the sieve, and then he's going to sift it, and then it's going to cook. But I have to provide assistance, hence the tripod. Okay. Okay. Oh, and then gradually he spreads it at the bottom of the pan, and that's going to generate the wrap, if you will. So you're gonna allow this to cook on very low heat for about a couple of minutes, and then you're going to flip it and cook the other side. Okay, so now it's time to flip the tapioca, and there he went. I'm telling you, I have a new arrival here all the way in Fortaleza. Now let's go ahead and top this baby because I'm hungry. Alright, you guys, so now it's time to add the mortadella to the tapioca. Ooh, honey, we are going to chow down here in Fortaleza, Brazil, South America in the house. And now he's going to roll it just like so. And that's it. This is a perfect breakfast or lunch type of meal for the people here in Brazil. And I hope you've enjoyed this little video. It isn't from the Food and the Single Guy home studios back in Europe, but it's a Food and the Single Guy special from the cousin of the Food and the Single Guy, all the way in Brazil. Okay, you guys, so now my cousin is going to make the Crepe-ioca. And basically what you do, you just crack an egg open into a bowl, and you're going to add the tapioca flour, just like so. And then you're going to whisk it. And of course you can add some salt or some pepper or some Italian herbs or what have you to spice it up a little bit. Okay, so next we're going to fry this concoction. We're going to heat some butter in a pan, just like so. And then you're going to add the mix to the pan. Basically, you're going to make somewhat of an omelet, if you will. Now we're gonna add some salt and a little bit of black pepper. Alright, it's time for the flipation. Ooh, honey, it smells good. And my cousin tells me that people who are on a diet only eat this. And sometimes they add a little bit of fruit. They have a little bit of fruit on the side, you know. Okay, you guys, so my cousin is now going to make somewhat of a banana shake. They call it vitamin or vitamine or something like that. They call it up here. And it's basically you're going to blitz a couple of bananas, ripe bananas. And then you're going to add some powdered milk and some sugar and some ice cubes and a little bit of water, I believe. And I don't know who told me that they like his tattoos. I said, boo-boo, you better keep your hands off my family.
The scoops.
2 scoops of powdered sugar.
No.
Powdered milk.
Powdered milk.
E agora?
Some sugar.
Some sugar.
This depends how the people like it.
How sweet they like it.
How sweet.
Yes.
Some mineral water.
Now we're gonna add the mineral water. Now he's going to add the ice cubes. And finally, he's going to blitz this into oblivion. And lastly, you're going to pour your delicious shake into a glass, just like so.
Here you go.
And now you're going to... I thought it was for you. Taste. Okay. So he wants me to taste this, and you know me, I don't like to eat or drink on camera, and I look a hot mess. So bear with me, okay? But we're gonna taste this, and I'll give you the verdict in a minute. You should definitely try this. It is delicious. Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm gonna move to Brazil in about 2 weeks. Do you want to be on camera?
Yes.
This is my cousin.
Hi.
Oh yes, let me zoom out a little bit because you can see all of his pores. And he lives here, and he has just cooked you this delicious traditional home-cooked Brazilian meal. See you later, guys. Bye. Say bye to the
Bye.
people. Now, while my cousin is making his Crepe-ioca, I want to show you mine. This is what it looks like. I am going to dig in, and I want to thank you all for watching, and I will see you again on another video. Alright? Have a good one, you guys. Bye-bye.